Welcome to a very special episode of Crypto Beat. Andre, Greg, and I will be traveling all the way to the financial capital of the East, Singapore. Now I know what you're wondering. Why are y'all going to Singapore? Other than the wonderful food, very nice people, and fascinating culture, it happens to be a very exciting week for crypto.
We've got a week full of activities. We have got Token 2049. We have got a few very special Bybit events.
Our itinerary begins on Thursday. We'll be helping out with what's called the Next Level tutorial. Thanks to the sponsorship between Bybit and Oracle Red Bull Racing, we have the incredible opportunity to hang out with Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez and teach them a little bit about our world of crypto.
It's gonna be a really, really fun week. I'll see you there.
Okay, so just like Brendan and Andre said, I am super excited to be going to Singapore. I'm so stoked to be hanging out and working with Max and Checo. What an amazing opportunity. I have to get going to the airport. I will see you guys in Singapore. Let's go.
Of course, he's the first person in the hair and makeup suit.
I'm gonna look
This
so
is like the only unbelievable.
I'm gonna look so pretty. I'm not gonna need a personality after this.
That was a little nerve-wracking, but definitely worth it. What's up next? Token 2049 Singapore. It's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna walk around, do some interviews, Crypto Beat hits the street style, and at the end of the day, we're gonna watch Ben on the main stage for his panel.
All right, so we're here with
Mike Crosby.
and
Nick Mabin.
okay, Mike and Nick. A couple of quick questions. Biggest crypto misconception by the public.
It's all about pump and dump. That's the misconception.
Yeah, too many people see it as Ponzi. They don't understand what it's all about.
They don't understand what's behind it. You know, the true power of it.
That's it, yeah.
Okay, so we're here with,
May or Pieface at DeFi Kingdoms.
for you, what is crypto in one sentence?
Crypto in one sentence is crypto is an equalizer. It's an opportunity from everyone in many backgrounds, financial backgrounds and educational backgrounds, to go and find things that they love and opportunities to either invest in things or even build things themselves in crypto and Web3.
Okay, so we're here with our boy Crypto Banter. Okay, a couple of quick questions, rapid fire. Best way to make your first $1 million?
Start with $1 billion and put the rest into crypto and you'll have $1 million.
Best advice you've ever received or gave to somebody?
Be patient. As much as it doesn't feel natural when you're young and hungry to be patient, patience is the best advice I can give anybody.
What is crypto in one sentence?
It's the biggest opportunity of our generation.
What's it gonna look like in 5 years?
You won't even know that it's crypto, it'll just be the way you do things like the internet.
Biggest crypto misconception by the general public?
That crypto is used for scams.
Final question, in what ways can crypto help the next generation? And of course,
Well, crypto is the only opportunity that the next generation has to make exponential growth in their wealth and in their freedom. You're not going to get exponential growth in Google or Microsoft or Apple or Amazon or Facebook. Those days are gone. The only opportunity that the next generation have to do three things: make life-changing wealth, achieve freedom, and take away power from institutions that have kind of been proven recently to not have your best interest at heart, is through crypto.
And so we've got a great crypto exchange roundtable. It starts to feel a little bit like we're already at the Formula One. We're going to welcome Ben So. Ben So is the founder and CEO of Bybit, who earlier this year did the biggest ever crypto sponsorship where they sponsored Red Bull.
People who survived the last winter, in fact, did quite well. What would you say is the top lesson you learned last time around that led you to be able to build the global firm you have today?
Yeah, so when it comes to winter and bear market, we're extremely comfortable. That's our home ground. Because when the bull market comes, talent acquisition, all of that becomes extremely expensive. So when the bear comes, of course, we want to focus internal. So we want to take an approach to really embrace Web3. So Bybit is actually really kind of, our job is to innovate and to make sure that we are connected. So it's our job to make our product so relatable to retail, and so we can bring them a mass adoption ready product.
Now that was cool. I didn't know Ben was gonna have such a stage presence. What's next? Big weekend, big race, the Singapore Grand Prix.
We are on our way to catch the subway to check out our boys, Max and Checo. Let's go team. Right behind us is the Haas F1 team, but they have to get the metro as well. You know what I mean? All right, guys, here we are. The weather is perfect for a day of racing.
Here we are, we're at our seats. Yeah, Andre's a little bit upset because the rain is...
I wasn't ready to look like a wet chihuahua. People are mostly under the bleachers. It's a real atmosphere out here, guys. Okay, guys, so day one of Formula One done. We got wet. We saw some very fast cars. I'll tell you what I've learned about F1. Bring earplugs. That place is loud.
Someone say day two.
Okay, after 2 hours of intense raining, we finally made it out of the metro station. We've made it down. The race is about to kick off. I mean, promises to be an amazing race. We're here, finally the rain stopped, but the rain's no object for some of these warriors out here. This man doing God's work. Why this outfit today?
It started raining and I was like, oh, I'll take the clothes off, and then everyone loved it. Everyone took photos of me and wore the Crocs and F1 and make the most of it, you know?
Dude, I love it. Who are you rooting for today?
Maxi boy. He's the go. He's the go. He's my boy.
So are you like this because you lost a bet, or this was like a choice?
This is normal life in Australia.
Are you in crypto at all?
Yeah, I am actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What have you got?
Oh, I don't even know. TRX, Neo, and a bit of Bitcoin.
All right, we've got about 25 minutes until the race starts. Are you excited?
Dude, I am super excited. Perez actually starting second from the grid, so I think it could be Perez's day. Go Checo, vamos! We're like direct from where the cars are gonna go, direct from the grid. Couldn't be more pumped. The weather cleaned up. It's gonna be great. Now that is some next level driving right there.
Wow, what a spectacle. For our final stop, we're heading to the Oracle Red Bull Racing official afterparty to celebrate an amazing race and an even better week in Singapore.
2 a.m. Time for a Red Bull?
Here we are at the end of a great weekend, a great experience. We're in the 70th floor, beautiful view overlooking Singapore, a perfect way to finish what has been an amazing weekend of racing and crypto here in Singapore. Well guys, we're gonna have some drinks, we're gonna have a good time. That's a wrap.